Hi, my name's Juliana. I'm from South Jersey. I currently work at a local community hospital in the emergency room. My role is to provide patients with community resources such as housing and food assistance. I work in the case management department along with the emergency room social worker. In my previous job, I worked as a case manager and a group specialist at a partial care program for people who suffered from mental illness. It was mostly geriatrics. For my previous experience, I believe it's extremely important for someone who suffers with mental illness to get the proper diagnosis. I think that this is important because it will help guide the client's treatment process to help them be able to live day to day without suffering from disruptive symptoms where they can't perform their ADLs. I never participated in making a DSM-5 diagnosis, but I'm really excited to learn more about the process and how diagnoses are made.